You ever felt that burning urge to just, stop, to throw in the towel, to surrender to the overwhelming weight of it all? We all hit that wall, that moment where the mind screams no more. But true champions, they find that one more rep, one more step, one more breath. Because the biggest battles aren't against others. They're fought in the quiet chambers of your own mind, against doubt and the siren song of comfort. Think of Edison, failing thousands of times, not seeing failure but progress. His grit wasn't in inventing a bulb, but in refusing to quit on the path each year. What if you decided that quitting wasn't an option? What if your only path was through? They say when your mind tells you you're 100% done, you're only truly 40% exhausted. That other 60%? That's your untapped reservoir of grit. Lean into the discomfort. Find the beauty in the struggle. That's where you don't just endure. You evolve. So today, pick one thing you're ready to give up on. Now, give it one more intentional push. Just going. Because your resilience, your unwavering determination, doesn't just build your character. It sparks hope and shows others what's possible. Let your grit be the silent roar that echoes, "I will not break, I will build."